When someone needs a bail bondsman, they're searching locally and they need help fast. That's why strong local SEO is crucial for bail bond businesses. By optimizing your website for urgent keywords like bail bonds near me and including city or county names, you can connect with clients at the exact moment they're searching for help. Start with targeted keyword research focused on transactional and emergency queries. Optimize every page with clear service descriptions, location info, and strong calls to action like click-to-call buttons and 24/7 notices. Ensure your business name, address, and phone number are consistent everywhere online, especially in Google Business Profile and legal directories. Building quality citations and keeping directory listings accurate strengthens your local authority. Track both rankings and conversions, calls, form fills, and chats to see what's really driving business. Content matters too. Create pages and blog posts that answer urgent questions, explain the bail process, and address local procedures. Consider short videos to build trust and educate your audience. Finally, if you partner with an SEO agency, choose one with legal industry experience and transparent reporting. With the right local SEO strategy, your bail bonds business can become the first call for those in need.